Welcome my dear students of grade 2 in our educational channel Think Discover Malawi Governmental Language School. Today we will continue theme 3 chapter 1 lesson 5. These lessons talks about sand and rocks, wind erosion and water erosion, experiment erosion. هندرس في هذا الدرس الرمال والصخور، هندرس التعرية عن طريق الرياح والتعرية بالمياه وتجربة عن التعرية. Let's start the first part of the lesson about cities in Egypt. In this activity, we will answer the activity in student book on page 21. Open your box. Using the map on the previous page, calculate the distance from your hometown to cities in Egypt. In this activity, we have a table. The first column, city, the second, number of scale segments, the third, distance from hometown. We calculate the distance between our hometown and Hurghada by using the scale of the map. On this map, the scale is divided into segments. Every segment equals 50 kilometers. We calculate the distance between our hometown Elmenia and Hurghada. We find the segments equals 8 segments on the map. The distance from hometown and Hurghada we find 400 kilometers. 80 times 50 equals 400. We can complete this table on this way. The distance between Hurghada, the distance between our hometown and Mot, and our hometown and El Arish, and our hometown and Cairo, and our hometown and Ghana. On this way, we can calculate the distance between our hometown and every city of these cities on this way. The second part of this activity, place the cities in order of distance from your home from closest to farthest. هنرتب هذه المدن من الأقرب إلى الأبعد من مدينتنا. The closest one is Cairo. Second, Ghana. Third, Hurghada. Fourth, El Arish. Finally, Mot. The furthest city from our hometown is Mot. Let's move the new part of the lesson, rocks and sand. The weather has an effect on the land around us. الطقس بيكون له تأثير على الأرض حولنا. These pictures are the natural formation made by nature. Wind erosion. When wind picks up the particles of sand or dust and move them from its place to another, this is wind erosion. What is the meaning of wind erosion? ماذا تعني كلمة التعرية بواسطة الرياح أو كيف تتم. When the wind picks up the particles لما الرياح بتلتقط بعض جزيئات الرمال particles of sand or dust أو التراب وتحركهم من مكان إلى آخر. This wind erosion هذا يسمى التعرية بواسطة الرياح. الwater erosion where running water عند تدفق المياه move تحرك the particles of sand or dust from its place to another بتحرك جزيئات الرمال أو جزيئات التراب من مكان إلى آخر. This is called water erosion هذا يسمى التعرية بواسطة المياه. As you see in these pictures represent erosion. Water erosion when the water and wind changes the shape of the land by over the time. This is called erosion. What is the meaning of erosion? Erosion is the change of the shape of the land by over the time. هو تغير في شكل الأرض عن طريق الرياح أو المياه لفترة طويلة يسمى تعرية. What is the meaning of erosion? When the water and wind change the shape of the land by over the time. This is called erosion. Examples of the erosion. These pictures are from Egypt. الصور دي من مصر. They are made by wind and water erosion. دي متكونة عبارة عن تكوينات طبيعية كونت بواسطة الرياح أو الرمال. Let's do a simple experiment about erosion. التولز we have tools rectangular box, sand and water. The steps. Let's do an experiment. Step number 1. Add sand to the box. نضيف الرمال في البوكس. It should be 2 centimeters. تكون الارتفاع بتاعها حوالي 2 سنتيمتر. Gently blow the sand from one end. It makes a dome or a hell. This represents wind erosion. ان احنا هننفخ blow the sand من طرف واحد من الصندوق هيكون الدون or a hell كثبان او هيتكون هضبة. This represent wind erosion. ده بيمثل التعرية بواسطة الرياح. Spread the sand one more time. هننشر الرمال مرة تانية. So that's it even. يعني هننشرها بطريقة تانية. Pour water. هنصب المياه from one end slowly ببطء for 30 seconds. This represent water erosion. What happened to the sand? The water made shapes in it. المية هتغير الشكل بتاع الرمال. Definition of erosion. Erosion is the change in the shape of the things around us. هو تغير شكل الأشياء حولنا by the effect of the wind or water over time. عن طريق الرياح أو المياه لفترة طويلة. After doing the experiment. بعد ما أجرينا التجربة. Open your student book and answer this activity. Think about these questions before the experiment. Write your answers after the experiment. Our erosion experiment will answer these questions. تجربتنا اللي عملناها ترد على هذه الأسئلة أو سوف نجاوب على هذه الأسئلة. Number 1. How do wind and water move soil? كيف تحرك الرياح أو المياه السويل التربة. The second one, what effect does erosion have on land? ما هو تأثير التعرية في الأرض؟ The answer of these questions: wind and running water pick up the particles of sand or dust from each place to another. The answer of the second: erosion can change the shape of the land. It forms natural formations. Follow the steps given by your teacher. This table we complete after experiment. Blow across dry materials. Pour or spray water. Circle 1 هنختار واحدة. 30 seconds, 1 minute, and after 2 minutes. How does these experiments help you understand erosion? The sand moves from its place to another. After 30 seconds, a small amount of sand moves from places. 1 minute, more of sand. رمال أزيد moves from its place. 2 minutes, all sand move from place. هتتحرك كل الرمال من مكانها. How does this experiment help you understand erosion? Erosion can change the shapes of the land and make natural formation. إن احنا فهمنا إن التعرية بتغير شكل الأرض وبتكون التكوينات الطبيعية. We have a new words like sand, rock, erosion. Answer this activity. Write wind erosion or water erosion. Thank you for watching me. Goodbye. See you next video.